What's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to talk about BBIG Ventures. Once again, that's BBIG Ventures with ticker symbol BBIG. Guys, if you like the information and analysis that I'm providing you in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get going. BBIG Ventures, by the time of this recording, is currently down at negative 9.63%. The price at yesterday's trading hours is $2.44, and it's still down in the after hours of negative 0.41% at the price of $2.43. Now, if you go to fintel.io, the short interest float is 16.28%. Off exchange short volume is 5,634,099 shares. Off exchange short volume ratio of 49.68%. Now, if you go to MarketBeat, it will tell you that it has negative 11.91% in a 5-day performance, but in a 1-month performance, it has 14.02%. 3 months performance is negative 40.05%, and a year-to-date performance of plus 2.52%. But in a 1-year performance, it's up 12.96%. So you guys, if you have invested in this security for at least a year, right, your portfolio should be up at least 2.52%. So guys, yesterday we got this article from the website of BBIG Ventures. It says here that BBIG Ventures announces date of fourth quarter and full year 2021 financial results conference call. So this is from April 13. It says here, BBIG Ventures, a digital media and content technologies holding company, will release its financial results for the fourth quarter and full year ended December 31st, 2021 after market close on Friday. But today, April 15, the market is closed. Okay, so management will hold a conference call and webcast on Monday, April 18 at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time to review and discuss the results. An audio archive of the conference call will be available until April 25, 2022 at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time, while a recorded version of the webcast will be available after the call and accessible at this website here. So today, if you go to the SEC website, April 15, 2022, it says here 10K annual report for a year ending December 31st, 2021. So this information is a public information, guys. So you can actually, all you have to do is go to the SEC website, and here you go. The Form 10K of BBIG Ventures. Everybody's waiting for this information, guys. So let's read along. Okay, so notably, you can find here that as of April 14, 2022, there were 188,052,593 shares of the registrants common stock outstanding. So if anybody of you is asking how many shares are available for BBIG Ventures, BBIG, so there you go, 188,052,593 shares. So in this report, you can notably see that the profit has increased from 20.4% in the year 2020. It's now 25.32% in the year 2021. It's not that huge of a gap, but definitely that is a progress. So guys, in this report also, you can take note that their assets have increased. In 2020, the net worth of their assets is only 33 million. Now it has increased to 405,142,729. So definitely, guys, the company itself is improving very much. Okay, the company is improving. That's 100%. It's 100% clear in this report. It's just that the revenue is not that much, right? Because of course we are still waiting to hear back from all their acquisitions, guys. So as you can see here, also their liabilities increased. Yeah, because that should be true because of their acquisitions with Lomo, right? So we're still expecting to hear numbers from those in this first quarter. So the liabilities is 25,791,169 in 2020, and that is increased tenfold, which is 271,455,687. So you can also see here the article, a section that says TYDE Incorporated. The company plans to spin off TYDE Incorporated and certain other subsidiaries of its operations. In connection with the distribution of the company's stockholders will receive 1 share of TYDE Incorporated common stock for every 10 shares of the company common stock. So that should be your BBIG, held as of the close of business on the record date. Following the separation, the company stockholders, as of the close of business and the record, will own 100% of outstanding shares of common stock. TYDE Incorporated will be an independent, publicly traded company. The company will retain no ownership in TYDE Incorporated. So this is actually the news that everybody's waiting for, when they will announce the distribution of the TYDE shares. So there you go, guys. There's the BBIG earnings report that everybody's anticipating. Okay, once again, a lot of people are mentioning this in Twitter, and everybody's pretty much excited. Like I said, my take on this is the company is growing. Of course, for you to be able to earn some cash, you have to invest into something. So BBIG has invested their cash in Lomo, right? They invest their cash into a lot of things, and we will see that into fruition in the next few quarters. Okay, right now it's not a lot of gap between 2021 and 2020 and 2021, so we'll be able to see the huge gap in the next year annual report. But definitely we can still look forward with the quarterly reports, what's inside those reports. So guys, on April 13, there's an article that came from this from Investor Place. It says here that avoid Binco Ventures despite its undervaluation. So this is somehow a bearish article, but let me see, guys. Binco Ventures has plunged 74% over the last 7 months. So according to MarketBeat, I think it's better if you look at it in a 1 year perspective, because in a 1 year perspective, right, you still have some gains there of around 2%. Okay, so anyway, BBIG stock is currently trading near its 52-week low. Management's failure to maintain transparency has been the primary reason for the adverse price reaction. Last year, BBIG stock acquired Lomo, a video sharing social networking platform whose app has been downloaded by more than 225 million users globally. Although the venture looks attractive, investors seem to be uncertain about the value of this deal. There seems to be a missing piece about the company's number of shares outstanding after the deal. Also, no information has been shared about Lomo's operational performance yet. So the the outstanding shares, right? We are able to see that a while ago here in the SEC report, as the basic numbers such as revenue, app subscribers, and cash burn are missing. No conclusion can be drawn about its future prospects. So I think, guys, these article doesn't have a lot of bearing, because all of these numbers are now shown mostly in the SEC report. Another major report is management's intention to foray into digital marketing and artificial intelligence spaces. The company recently acquired AdRiser for $38 million in cash and $10 million in stock. AdRiser technology platform Cortex is used to analyze data on a real-time basis for digital advertising and programmatic media buying. Although the deal is expected to benefit Lomo, the price paid for acquisition seems to be at premium. So guys, personally speaking, this seems to be a little bit of bearish article, or it's bearish article, but like I said, me personally, I have conviction with BBIG, Binco Ventures, that somehow the shorts will be crushed once they start rolling out the TYDE shares. So I'm ready for that. I am a BBIG investor. I'm a BBIG fan, and I'm awaiting for that TYDE juicy dividend. So we are now here in our technical analysis with the BBIG stock. Okay, so our volume is 19.88 million, although our average 3-month volume is 41.16 million. So the volume is going down, guys. I wish to see a lot of volume in the next coming trading days, right? So hopefully we can see that. So and also, one more thing, that the price is going down. This is in a weekly time frame. We see that red candle there. We can break it down in our daily time frame. So we have I have drawn out our support here. Our support for this stock in a daily time frame is around 2.4 and 2.4413, and we're almost there, guys. Hopefully we will see the stock pick up next week, and our resistance will be at around here, 2.867. Our first resistance, you guys, will be here at around 2.66, and our next resistance will be around 2.80. Okay, that will be our next resistance. Now in your 4-hour time frame, if we scroll that down a little bit, right, hopefully we can bounce in this area. Okay, around 2.44, we get a little push once we start getting the volume, because of the good news that we might have on Monday. So they have a separate press release on Monday. So besides this, they will also have another webcast on Monday. Hopefully, we can get more news into that. Okay, so let's go to your 1 hour time frame or 15 minutes time frame. Okay, on your 15 minutes time frame, I'm still, since we have historically we have a huge support in this area, 2.43. So this is nothing new for the stock, 2.43. We can have additional support here at 2.31. So I think we should be fine. We should be fine next week, guys. I'd like to see us reclaim the. I'd like to your VWAP to reclaim your 50 EMA and 200 EMA. So it's gonna take a little bit of work, but of course we are in this together. We love the stock. Like I said, guys, right now we are down. There's no way but up. So guys, once again, if you like the information and analysis that I'm providing you in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Once again, this is your boy, Don't Leave Your Trades. I love you all. Peace out.